Do you take your backpack to school? What things are inside your backpack? I can hardly remember all the things that are there in my trusted backpack. Backpacks rule our lives as our trusted companion, carrying everything from books to games to food, of course, water. And guess what? When you don't find something you're looking for, where should you look? Of course, that backpack. Trusted to gobble up everything. And backpacks are exactly that in Scratch. Once you're inside your Scratch project, you look at the bottom. It's just that, in appearance, they are rather plain looking. We will now build a project using sprites and some other stuff from other projects. So let me jump over to my favorite Scratch project where I have a lot of interesting sprites. So I'm going to open my backpack here and simply drag and drop what I need. So I'm going to be loading a couple of things like, of course, the backpack which I need and which I'm going to show stored into the backpack, tablet, a book. I'm going to first refresh the backpack. That means close it and open it. With this, I will be able to see the objects which I just fetched, the objects which I just recently stored into the backpack. Now, one by one, I'm going to drag and drop these objects into my sprite section. Now, with this done, I also want to create a dancing jig. And you know what? I have something I can reuse. I have this sweet dancing mango. So I'm going to bag it into my backpack, and once into the backpack project, I'm going to take the sprite in, copy the arms and legs to the backpack, make it to the dance jig and delete the sprite. We will also grab this music sound that goes well with the jig into the backpack. I'm now loaded with all the tools I need and I will finish writing the code. And here you can see how quickly I can assemble by reusing and using the backpack to ferry around the objects. I'm also giving credit where it's due.